This guy's been in the RV industry for over 40 years. He's the founder.
Easy. I mean, that's a long time.
Yeah, I guess. 40 years?
Make me look, yeah. I started when I was 10.
10?
I was 10.
He was 10 years old when he started Wade's RV. Now, so I thought it would be awesome to bring my dad here on with me today to kind of tell that Wade's RV story. You know, I always talk about the Wade's RV difference. Dad, tell the people why Wade's RV over anyone else.
You know, I'd like to think because it's my passion that I have since I was 19 years old. I've started in the RV industry, started working on them. And actually, the repair in the shop is still my passion. As a matter of fact, when you come to the dealership, I'll always be here. I'm here 6 days a week. And a lot of times you can find me usually right here in this creeper, you know, underneath an RV or something like that. So I'm always out here. I'm always for you. And that's the difference. That's the why we give everybody.
So I know you've had a lot of nicknames throughout the years. I know I gave you the first one, Daddy-O. Some people call you Big Wade, and that's why they get a little weird. They're like, Little Wade? Should I call you Little Wade? And so I always explain that. And then what's the other nickname? Is it RV Doctor?
RV Doctor. I did that years ago. Matter of fact, I have a personalized tag that I've had for probably 30 years that I keep in my truck. It's called the RV Doctor. They used to call me that because if anybody wanted to get something fixed, they knew who to go to.
That's right. And so you started Wade's RV in a little shop. Did you sell in the beginning? I'm trying to, point you in the right direction. Just tell us the foundation.
Yeah, actually, no. I started a shop, and that was my goal, is to give people service that they have not been able to get anywhere else. And I had customers that come to me right away, look me up, and because of the service that I gave them in the past, the relationships that I built in the past, and they also wanted to buy from me. So I started to ask me, if you're going to sell anything, what's your future there? And I thought, you know what, I think I'll kind of dig into that. So we started taking consignments. I wanted to give people a way out to get out of their RV because of different reasons, because of illness, because they just got tired of it, whatever the case was. And then so I started there and grew rapidly from consignments and jumped right into new lines and just kept growing to a point where I outgrew that store and I had to open up a new facility on 161st.
And now you're servicing all of Oklahoma with 2 different big dealerships in Oklahoma and the newest one in Joplin. And one last word for the people. We've got to wrap this up.
Thank you for all the years of coming to me, all the years of supporting me, and look forward to continue growing and continue having you guys, build with me. And just thanks, basically.
Back to you guys.